Today we will learn how to check body temperature using a mercury thermometer. A mercury thermometer looks similar to this one. It has a mercury column in it to show the temperature reading. You can see the reading right now is 99 degree. Before using it, shake it downwards so that the reading goes well below the red arrow. You can see the reading is 96 degree now after shaking. You can shake it further if you want, but 96 degree reading is also okay and the thermometer is now ready for use. Let me show you the current reading before use. You can see it is a little less than 96 degree. Now put the tip of the thermometer in the armpit of the patient. Make sure the tip is right in the armpit and not outside it. Leave the thermometer in the armpit for about 3 minutes, then check the reading again. You can see the reading is now 98 degree and is below the red arrow, which means the temperature is normal. If the reading is above the red arrow, it means fever is present. Thanks a lot for watching. Like the video if you find it useful. Subscribe for more such videos.